Well, good morning, folks. Welcome back to another beautiful day here on Haggett Hill. It's fall time of the year. It's about 55 degrees this morning. The weather's great. So what I'm going to work on this morning, I've got a little tachometer I want to put on my Woodland Mills sawmill. That way I can make sure I'm getting the right amount of RPMs as I'm sawing, because I've read on some online message boards where you might need to do a little adjustment on it, run the throttle or run the idle up just a little bit so you can get the max RPMs. This Kohler 9.5 horsepower engine that's on there, max output is 3600 RPM, so I'm going to see how close we are to that. I bought this little tack off of Amazon. It was like 12 bucks, so we're going to give it a try. How it says to install it is you just wrap the wire around the spark plug wire, and then you mount this somewhere on the unit. I'm actually going to mount it on my gas tank and see how that works out. Probably won't do a permanent mount. If I do later, I'll put it up here on the opposite side of my Woodland Mills hour meter. I'm first going to begin by mounting the unit itself, the display unit, onto my tank using hook and loop type fasteners that were provided with the kit. Like I said, this is just going to be a temporary installation. I may end up mounting it more permanent on the cross member up here. Now that I know how much wire I'm going to need, I'm going to get over here and I'm going to have an overabundance of wire, but I want to save it and not cut it, because I may want to mount it in a different location in the future. But we're going to run this through here, tie it around the spark plug wire, and then we'll tie up the excess and do something with it later. It says to do 5 or 6 wraps around the spark plug wire. I don't think these things are perfectly accurate, but you know, we'll give it a try. Put a little cable tie on there to hold it in place. All right, got everything buttoned down. Let's give it a little pull and see what she looks like. Okay, looks like it's working. I'm not exactly sure how accurate it is, but it's going up to about 3,700 RPMs. According to the manufacturer, this engine is rated for 3,600, so I'm sure it's in the ballpark. Well, thanks for stopping by and helping out with another short project here on Haggett Hill. And as always, get out and enjoy this beautiful creation that God's made. It's a beautiful fall day, so get out and enjoy it. If you like the content I'm putting out, Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get the channel to grow. Come back and see us sometime on Haggett Hill, and as always, God bless.